Aren't you bored of the same old regular recipes? Today we are trying something new and healthy to bring an explosion of flavors to your mouth. It is perfect for special occasions or evening snacks and will bring a joyous surprise for your friends and family. I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Let's prepare vegan tofu bombs. To a bowl, add coriander leaves, spinach leaves, mint leaves, green chilies. You can always reduce the quantity as per your taste buds. Ginger, garlic cloves, lime juice. Do check the description section for the quantity of the ingredients. Salt, water and blend everything into a flowing paste. We are going to use this green chutney for both dip and for marination. For the marination process, take corn flour in a bowl followed by green chutney. Mix everything well. For this recipe, I have sliced the tofu into little bit larger sized cubes and that way it will be easier to wrap them with the pasta. Mix the tofu well with the marinade and make sure it is completely coated from all the sides. Next, we will set it aside and let it marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. After that, take 1 cube of tofu and roll it in the corn flour. Make sure that the excess flour is removed and repeat the same with the remaining tofu cubes too. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're new to veganism or just want to try new vegan recipes, I have an online course specially for beginners on Udemy. Do check it out in the description section. Now all the tofu cubes are coated with corn flour. We will move on to the next step. Let's wrap them with some pasta. I have cooked the pasta well and now we will wrap the pasta around the tofu. You can always increase or decrease the quantity of pasta you are using. Pasta will bring out that extra crunch to this recipe once air fried. You can also involve kids at this step so they can have some fun too. Looks so pretty, right? Repeat the same for the remaining tofu cubes. I have taken a little bit more pasta for this one and we are done. Moving on to our final step. Lightly brush the pan with oil and then place the tofu cubes with some distance apart. You can bake the tofu as well, though I love the texture when we air fry them more. Then top it up with some green chutney. I love this step as it adds so much flavor to this recipe. Alternatively, you can also dip the pasta in the green chutney and then wrap it around the tofu, but it gets a little messy and I prefer it this way. Now air fry the tofu bombs. And ta-da! They are ready. Look at those. So scrumptious. I know you can feel the crunchiness of this beautifully golden pasta. You can serve this with some green chutney or with some ketchup. Both the kids and adults would love it. Such a healthy and unique recipe. Don't you agree? So do try it soon and let me know your feedback in the comment section. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.